Yeah. No, not that one, the one in the background. You can mark that one, that's fine. And then the Doug fir there. Big one there.
Like way back there?
Yeah. Okay, so what we're doing here is marking trees for a thinning. We're marking the leaf trees in this case because the forest is quite thick, and we're up in the Blue Mountains. So over in this neck of the woods, there's sort of a dynamic where on the cool north-facing shady sides of the ridge you get more dense forest with kind of cool mixed conifer species with Engelmann spruce and grand fir and Douglas fir, and then larch and ponderosa pine. And so, and then in other areas on the south-facing slopes or more dry spots, you get more dominated by pine and you don't see much Engelmann spruce. So we're working here to kind of create this mosaic of forest types that favors both this cool mixed forest as well as more pine, savanna, warm mixed pine larch forest type. So in this space, we're more in that cool Engelmann spruce forest, and so we're thinning this grove to make sure that we have still a little bit of a, some adequate canopy cover to maintain, a cool understory, but also to favor some trees that tend to be outcompeted by Engelmann spruce and grand fir. So we're favoring ponderosa pine. We're favoring larch and Douglas fir. We're removing grand fir and Engelmann spruce where it's coming up in underneath the larch and the ponderosa pine, because as that happens, they tend to shade out the lower branches and cause those trees to lose their crown. And as we carry out this selection, we're moving into this direction of having more light to the understory to invigorate, natural regeneration of seedlings, but also bring more light for understory hardwoods and ground cover, which is really important forage and sheltering spaces for wildlife. And importantly, bringing more fire sort of resilience to the forest in general, as we reduce this, dense fuel ladder moving into the canopy and create some spacing between tree crowns. We get quite a bit more fire resilience as well as water and nutrient and water availability for the remaining trees. So that's sort of our protocol and process here with this thinning project.